Hello, welcome back to Tesselation LiveNoding. In this video, we're gonna take a look at the circle packing problem once again, but I'll do it differently. I'll show you real quick. We could actually do something like this. So we start with an icosphere, for example, and then we can quickly use the tessellate dual mesh thing. And by doing that, we have just like this n-gon kind of design. And from here, you could actually go to like something like a explode modifier, and if I'm not wrong, you just use like particles, assign it to phase, and go back to this guy, and then if I'm not wrong, they are already separated. If we assign the particles up there, and if I turn off the physics, so these guys, you know, all the phase being separated, we can simply add like a smooth modifier. And I think we have too many polygon phase there, but if I'm not wrong, if we assign one for each phase, we should have better control over it. And we should get like a circle, but I think I did it in the wrong way. It's well, let's not use particles, but instead with this guy right here, we create a sphere chalk add-on node, and then we bring the objects in, get selections, and we do like polygon boom, basically separating all the faces of this polygon as it is. And if we kind of use a viewer bmesh or viewer draw, output this guy, and take a look at this guy right here. If I bake it, see, we have all this separate n-gon. I'm thinking to just rejoin them. So we separate all the faces and rejoin them, bake it, and look at this guy right now. If I smooth this using subdiv, we get something that looks like a circle packing actually. Smooth it, increase the subdiv. So this is actually the plan. So being able to simply turning this guy into this guy in a in one procedure from the start objects until the end. So yes, so that's the plan. We can also do the smoothing in here. We don't have like subdivision inside sphere chalk, I don't think, but we can smooth it in here. We can always bring it out, use modifier, and bring it back in. So actually I'll start from icosphere. I know the fact that we can, let's see, circle packing 3D 001. We can start with icosphere, and then we can use the edge bevel, and we can use vertex only. Let me try this. Yeah, see? You see what's going on? Vertex only, and then you get this kind of like a dual mesh kind of effect, even though it's not exactly, but it's pretty good. And then you can simply plug that in there and look at the result once again. So the idea is everything is made procedurally here, and then if we bake this guy now and smooth it and then make subdivision, we should get this kind of interesting tessellated mesh, which is like all like a circle packing thing, like that. So if this works correctly, if we, for example, have Suzanne head, and then you use objects in, get Suzanne, and plug this there, plug this there. If we correctly set this up, we should get this kind of circular kind of design. Subdiv. There you go. It's not like 100% perfect, but this is a good start. I think we can actually use Suzanne and then convert it to dual mesh, and with this guy we can kind of bring it in here and then apply this polygon boom and mesh join and then smoothing again. Yeah, but I found this pretty interesting because you get this kind of really nice, interesting tessellation really quickly. Maybe it's not perfect, but yeah, I think it's a good start. Let me know what you think. Maybe there's another way that's better. If you have any better way to do this, let me know and in the comment section below. If you have any question, I'll try to answer it. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you in the next